Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change paper size in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change paper size in Google Docs, open your Google Docs and open the file. Then click on File tab on upper left corner. Then click on Paper Size. Then click on Page Setup. Here you will find the paper size and by default letter is selected. Click on the drop down here and you can change the paper size from here. I am going to set A4 size and I am going to change the orientation portrait. Now click on OK. Now look, the paper size has been changed to A4. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.